First spring job, I think. See what happens, all right? Still learning. It knows something. All right, it's feeding. The line is feeding in. The filament. Uh-oh, we got something down here. Uh-oh, we got something. Now, I don't expect it to be perfect because I don't know if I have the tension set right or what, but this is the first thing. And see how long it takes. Oh, yeah.
My key,
I'm printing, but I don't know what it is. I'm gonna find out. First test.
I think he used it from one of the times he went out on stage with the Neil Armstrong and he went out.
Don't know what it is, but it's gonna be something.
Don't make a little tube, you know?
Make 100 of them.
We'll get up in the morning and it'll be done. He's telling you about you could be rubbing in the middle of that.
Done print.
Oh, done print.
What is it? What is it? Duck? Duck? It's not very loud. That's as loud as it gets. I'm learning somewhat. I think it's going to be a box. This was a preloaded program. Isn't that amazing? Print me. Yeah. Good. I'm going to drop a penny inside because I think the top is going to be sealed just for fun. See, there's a penny in there. That's going to be a solid box. That's going to be cool, huh? Never get that penny out. Now I'm starting to do the top, see? I don't know if you can see it. It's going to be solid lid. And progress bar, about 2/3 of the way done. Isn't that amazing? That's a 1979 penny in there. That's the year my son was born. Right, Rick? Hey, let's watch this a while.
You'll have dinner with Mr. Miguel all the night. Well, until then, why did I invite you to dinner?
Looks like it's finished. Look. Done printing. Oh! That took about an hour and a half. Has a heated bed. It's stuck pretty good. See if I can break it off of there. Or should I let it cool? So that's my second project anyway. The first one was last night. This little cylinder. Solid top and bottom. I didn't put a penny in there. So I'm learning. These were the preloaded projects. And I'm going to learn how to put something else in there with the software I just downloaded. Here it comes. So you get a little film on the bottom that cleans right off. Look. The box with a penny inside. Alright, stay tuned for some more. A little bit that I learned I'll show you here and there. I think I might need a dummies book or something. But it's the best way to learn, right? Little hair on top, we could trim that off. Alright, I did it. Any tips or tricks are greatly appreciated. See, that cleaned off nicely. I took a towel, cleaned it off. Ready for the next use. Seems to be working. Baymax. Oh no. It's time to eat. Getting big. Almost done. Let's see it finished. He's waving. Got 1% on the camera too. 0%. How can that be? Nice. Okay, it's done. Look at that. Isn't that nice? It took 4 hours and 49 minutes. I thought it was going to take 5 hours, but nice. Still learning. Okay, so that's 3 fun little projects that I made. Remember, there's a penny in there. And the first cylinder I made last night. So I'm glad I got that far with it. Then I printed this little cool thing. It's a Piranha key fob, and it moves. See? Push this down. Bite, bite, bite. It can be like a clip, like a bag chip clip dip thing, or just a key fob. Pretty cool, huh? Blue. There's still a lot to learn. I'm gonna go online and get some cool pattern and do something else. I don't know. But I'm glad I made a little model of myself here, and a cylinder and a box. See ya. Take it easy.